Would you like to make a proper closure of a given chapter when your colleague is affected by restructuring and he or her position is made redundant? Follow my video. Welcome at ABCC Positive Change Management. Hi, this is Aldona Blondin from ABCC Positive Change Management Company, and I have 2 do's and 1 don't when your colleague has been made redundant. Let's start with the first do. Do number 1. Write recommendation on LinkedIn. This is not any hidden publicity for LinkedIn, but as a matter of fact, a lot of job seekers are using this platform to find a new position, but also a lot of recruiters, they are just checking candidates' profile. That's why please write down a few sentences as your recommendation. This is only few sentences for you, but for your colleague, it will be huge positive message. Seriously? This is your excuse? You don't know how to do it? Hey, this is not your thesis, which not has impact on your diploma and afterwards on your career. Writing a few positive sentences should be doable. If it is too heavy, then at least endorse the skills of your colleagues on LinkedIn. It will take you only a few seconds by drinking morning coffee, and it will be highly appreciated. Do number 2. Goodbye message. In the storm of restructuring, it might be not a good opportunity to make a proper and valuable goodbye message. Nevertheless, don't skip it. Just take your time, write down a few personal words, like a kind of goodbye message. For instance, what you appreciated working with your colleague, what you have learned, or what you will never forget. Please don't use this kind of excuse that you don't know the email address or whatever. Find a way, and there are other means to communicate, and for sure that you will find the solution. I can guarantee you that this kind of goodbye message will bring a big smile to your colleague. Time for don't. You will manage or see it like an opportunity, or you will find something better. Probably you would like to cheer up your colleague and motivate to action, but it is not the right moment when your colleague just learned about being redundant. So in such moments, it could be taken like a pushy, even not respectful words. So don't say. What to say instead? For instance, I'm sorry that now you will have a difficult time, or I'm sorry it happened to you. But say something. As always, you cannot not communicate. Please, be a decent person to others in these challenging circumstances of restructuring. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.